Alright, today is June 17. This is the office here, office in progress. Servers there, printers, everything, keyboard, laptops, stuff. Now we're gonna move here to the bedroom here. There's some art. I want to show you the art. This is real art, people. Here it is. And some cow here, you see. There is a cow here, and there's a comet, and there's a big moon. In New York City is here. Here is a little office area. Now we're gonna grab this monitor. Yes, and we're gonna move it to the office. And well, just a second, one hand operation. Just a second. All right. Here it is. Yes, it is working. All right. Here we got the working desk. I will finish it and I will make another video to see. This is work in progress again. And now there's a lot of things in one day. Tomorrow I guarantee that will be completely different of what you see. This mess will be completely different. And we have a beautiful sunset here, but I will show you the beautiful sunset from the second floor. There's some furniture, there's some tools. Now let's go to the sunset. There's furniture here. Famous Yožik is. All right. What's up? Oh, the cooking show will be in progress. The cooking show will be in progress.
Mark my words, they're gonna declare him insane or something.
And we have the Netflix here. Our Planet 2. And guess who is here in the new home? Yeah, she likes the new home already. Yes, hello. Famous Yožik, what's up? How about some light?
Oh, we're discussing this officer,
Who?
whistleblower,
Who is?
who said that he saw that there are non-human aircrafts with non-human pilots inside.
Oh yeah. Oh, Good morning. This was from 1947. People thought that.
Today, now, he is very reputable military.
Oh yeah. Oh.
He spilled the information.
He spilled information from 1947 and from. Okay, let me go see the sunset now. It's famous.
It's not from 47, it's from now. He found them now.
Oh, now new ones, new people, new aliens. Aliens has been here for a long time now. The sunset was here, but now it is. Yeah. So I'm gonna start doing some work around the house. This is the second terrace, and that is it's our other terrace down there on the ground floor. That's it. And there are bears here. Yesterday we have a video of the bears here, a mother bear with two little cubs. Yeah. So now I gotta do some work. Now the work will be first to find the LED lights. Just like famous Yožiks here, they are discussing the aliens, and we're going downstairs to get the instruments, the tools. Okay, she did not find it, but I definitely. Oh, that's a book for me. Self-care for people with ADHD. All right. Tools and instruments here. Now we'll organize. Oh, Manhattan Bridge reminds me that I have to go in the city. Just a second. Oh, this is Darla's bathroom, the cat's bathroom. Now where is the light here? All right, office light. Here it is. There you have it. Hoppa. Voila, watch this. Watch this. Ha! What I found here. One more extra camera. Okay, camera here. Now let's get this. This I call the octopus. The octopus light. It's a brand, a Walmart brand. And here it is. And this one goes right here. All right, it's very easy. 3 years old can do. Somebody has to hold my phone for a second, yeah?
The U.S. governments are currently working to reverse engineer.
Famous Yoshi, can you hold my cell phone here to show you
What?
to show you how this actually works? You push here, and you got this one down here, oppa, like this, and boom, release, and then you plug it in, and
It's gonna be very bright for sure.
voila, let it be light. And you have it like a gun, and here we go. And now, what we have in the scene, it is, this is the working light, and the goal for today is to break this, what is this, 1800, 1920, 1920, 19,
Oak
So
desk.
that's an accordion.
1920 oak desk.
But the minister still your bedroom.
So this isn't Victorian, it's Edwardian.
So now I'm gonna get the tools here. Here are the tools. We're gonna line them up on this with the dinner. Oh, that's very nice.
So it was Edwardian.
The bedroom set, I think it's still Victorian.
Has wheels. Has wheels. All right. That's it. Now I'm going to work. You people can watch me work.
Oh, we're working too.
Say something for the end of the video.
Yeah, we'll show you before and after.
I think the cooking show it's gonna be good here.
People
Yeah.
only watch your channel because of Mama.
Yes, because of her.
No.
But I'm the famous one, all right? She's
Hi,
the
people.
She's the famous Yožik, but I'm the famous me. All right, say something for the end. What is this?
Okay, friends, be happy, healthy, and please, please try to be kind.
That was good. That was good. Sasha, say something to the people to be kind.
No.
This is no. This is no. Darla, say something to the people to be kind. Go downstairs, all right? And people be kind. That's it.